Okay, my name is Will Mostert. I'm a teacher. I'm a geography, social studies, physical education, history, English teacher. I taught English now for about 12 to 14 years. I like the English language and taught all the different aspects of it. Reading, conversation, creative writing, vocabulary, comprehension test, and listening. If you ask me what age group I prefer to teach, I will say probably primary school. But I don't have a problem teaching any age group. I taught students from age 8 to adults. I helped a lot of adults even to pass the IELTS exam. I like to make my classes very interesting. I like to use teaching aids and props, and I like to act, and I also like to perform in class. I like my children or my students to take active part in the class. I believe the students must enjoy every class. I take an interest in the welfare of my students, and I'm willing to go the extra mile for them. I have 23 years teaching experience and can adapt to any circumstances in the class. I believe that the students must be busy. Then you don't have discipline problems. I'm an honest hard worker, and I'm always neat, I'm always on time. I'm a mature teacher, and I don't take nonsense. I love teaching, and I love working with students. I'm going to teach at Korean language school, Shelton, in Highland Park, Auckland. And I want to say thank you for the students and for Derek, the director, for using the facility here and also for making this video. Thank you so much.